The Martin County Sheriff's Office scouring the Hungryland Preserve right now in the western part of that county in search of a body. In the last 24 hours, they have found 2 body parts, one spotted in the mouth of a gator.
And the sheriff says for now the agency's treating it as a homicide investigation. WPTV News Channel 5's Megan McRoberts is live outside the preserve with this developing story. Megan?
Kelly, law enforcement now faced with that enormous challenge trying to determine if these remains actually belong to the same person. They have been scouring through many acres, in fact, miles of the Hungryland Preserve behind me, knowing that any other potential remains or evidence may have been moved or even destroyed by the many animals who live out here. So far, the remains that were found were spread out 1.5 miles apart from each other. So all of this started yesterday morning. The sheriff says a Florida Game and Freshwater Fish Commission biologist was out here just doing their job and spotted what they thought was an alligator with a human arm. Commission law enforcement was called out. They spent much of the day looking for it. By the evening, they found the arm and called in the sheriff's office. Then today, detectives with the sheriff's office found what appeared to be another human remain. Cadaver dogs have been searching the grounds along with deputies on ATVs and with a chopper. Dive teams have also been scouring the canal floors for any additional remains or evidence.
We can't rule out the possibility that somebody fell in the water, died of natural causes out here. It doesn't look like that to us. One of the things we always have to take into consideration is we're just a few miles from Palm Beach County. We have had what we call body dumps, disposing of human remains here in Martin County that originated in Palm Beach County. That's been going on for decades.
Now, the sheriff believes that the remains are that of a white male. They, of course, have checked their missing persons list. They don't have anyone that matches, but down in Palm Beach County, they say there are 16 potential matches. They have been in contact with detectives down there. He also says the discoveries appear to be, quote, fresh. They are hopeful to be able to lift fingerprints to make an ID before having to wait for DNA test results. Reporting live in Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.